Here's a $1 million AI idea. Elon Musk says exactly you can now create memes with AI. It got #1 product of the day on Product Hunt. Create high resolution deepfakes with just a single image. By using ChatGPT, you can use something called additive prompting. 150,000 people has created an account with the Room GPT. This AI tool can create AI animations for you synchronized to music. Look, you just start with uploading. Here's a $1 million AI idea, a better AI keyboard. Elon Musk says exactly. Jim Fan on Twitter writes, every time I type on my phone and autocorrect makes a stupid mistake, it screams LLM. This is literally next word prediction, which is what ChatGPT is. We should be typing 10x faster. Input methods need serious upgrades. The LLM doesn't have to be big and can be optimized to run locally to reduce latency and keep privacy. It also needs no prompt engineering or instruction tuning. Combined with methods like swipe type, LLM keyboard could, in principle, render full sentences with an unbroken thumb movement. We'd finally be able to type at the speed of our stream of consciousness. It would literally make Twitter a way worse place. We already got way too many people that don't think before they tweet. Just let your brain take a coffee break and let your thumb just do the tweeting. Deepfakes are becoming way too realistic. This is Mega Portraits by Samsung Labs, and it can create high resolution deepfakes with just a single image. It feels and acts way different than any TikTok filter because the use of neural networks. Even expressions that the normal model wouldn't even be capable of. So all you need to do is turn on your webcam and you can turn into anybody. So now I can finally turn into a work of art. You're now able to run large AI language models on a MacBook Pro. Lawrence Chen was able to install Meta AI's language model and was able to make it run smoothly. He asked it, when will the singularity kill us? And while it's running, let me tell you something. This is basically ChatGPT running on a MacBook. Usually large language models need a massive number of CPUs. The real breakthrough here is that it usually takes a big server room to make this run. But in fact, Mac's M1 chip is so powerful it's able to run it on a computer. Therefore, LLMs are starting to become available for everyone. But yeah, the answer is kind of trash. I think it was the Mayans that predicted the year 2012. The Mayans are a lot smarter than you think. No. I should be dead by now. To get way better mid-journey prompts by using ChatGPT, you can use something called additive prompting. Nick Prompts on Twitter has this amazing thread, and I'm just gonna summarize it real quick. Step number 1 is to write, please create a table that breaks down an interior architecture photograph composition into the following key elements, where each of these key elements is a column. Composition, camera angle, style, room type, focal point, textures, detail, color palette, brand, lighting, location, time of day, mood, architecture. Fill the table with 10 rows of data where composition equal editorial style photo. Next, you will see that it's actually trying to create all of these into a table, and just like that, we have a bunch of really cool prompts that we can do to make our final image. Here are some of his creations with this method. This is one of the images. You can see the prompt above and the image below. Isn't this absolutely mind-blowing? And hopefully you can get more consistent prompting. Now into 4 cool AI tools that I found today. 150,000 people has created an account with the Room GPT. Essentially, you can generate your dream room by just clicking here. First, click a style. Second, choose a room type, and then just drag a photo of your room into the tool. Just like that, wait for it to load, and you can see the slide-by-slide comparison here of your old grandma's room compared to the new and beautiful room here. It's 100% free and open source, made by Nutlope on Twitter. In 48 hours, he almost got 100,000 users. GitHub replied, yes, hello, we'd like to make a feature request. Generate your GitHub room. Logan GPT coming in with a great business idea on all the rooms you generate are all available and linked to on Amazon with affiliate links. you could be netting 10K a day. Might be a little bit hard to do, but definitely somebody's gonna steal that idea. This AI tool can create AI animations for you synchronized to music. Look, you just start with uploading a project name like Hello World, click on create. AI style, you can use synthwave, general, duration, FPS. Audio, just import the audio of your liking. Vocals, you can just separate the audio channels, and just like that, it's starting to create. Now you can listen to the sound. You can add audio reactive effects. Just select the channel and make that translate to the Z axis. Prompt, you can also write portrait of a woman and portrait of a car. Click on creation name, send to queue. Will take around 12 minutes to generate, and here is the final result. Turning into a car at the end. They have some amazing looking creations here. I just don't know if the music is copyrighted, but the Hogwarts one is literally insane. Link to all these tools are in the description below. You can now create memes with AI. It got #1 product of the day on Product Hunt, and this is how it looks like. Turn text into memes with our AI meme generator in 110 plus languages. I can see this being used by content marketers, anybody that wants attention, because memes are actually really effective. Let's see if it's any good. Let's click on the text to meme. Everybody is making an AI newsletter, but nobody wants to read. Let's see what happens then. These are the results. When you're the only one who's reading AI newsletters, when AI newsletters are taking over your life, when you can't escape AI newsletters, when you're the only one who's reading AI newsletters, when AI newsletters are taking over your life, when you can't escape AI newsletters, when you're the only one who's reading AI newsletters, when AI newsletters are taking over your life. So apparently that's the entire prompt that it's creating with all these different images. And I can honestly say this is really effective, but the text could obviously be changed, but you can just click on edit, and just like that, this is gonna save every meme creator a bunch of time. They also got themed memes, which basically you choose a theme. So let's choose pour one out for the crypto bros. You can upload or drag a photo or use one of the templates, grab a Steve Jobs and click generate. If crypto doesn't make me a millionaire in the next 5 years, I'm quit. When someone asks me what I'm doing with my life, in 5 years, I will be a Bitcoin millionaire. Yeah, it's kind of not so funny. You can also search all of these templates, which for, again, a meme maker, this is an amazing resource. When you try to say words, but they won't come out. Okay, the next tool is AI web design just turned up to 11. Just look at this. You can literally scroll into a room. You can move around objects in the room on your mouse. They literally got 3D physics and paths that you can make things follow around. And it makes for such cool web design. Just look at the crazy things you can add to your website, and it makes just super cool web design. Just look at all the things you can add to your website now really easily. You can even collab in real time. Links to these tools down in the description. Join the AI video newsletter if you don't want to read AI news to get a video like this every other day. And join the Discord community as well. Peace.